Green Cove Springs, a sleepy little town with a big secret. What lies below, deep below these stained waters? Could there be a monster lurking there, waiting to tear you from limb to limb? This little town harbors a big secret. We have a real monster here in Green Cove Springs. You wouldn't want to throw a stick out there for your dog to fetch, and you certainly wouldn't want to go swimming in the water with it. It's occasionally captured on video, basking itself in the sun. Beware, people. This is a monster, and it's real. It's very real, and it's waiting for you. Would you swim in this water? I don't think it's a very good idea.